how to write a report for your company, a report for your office, report for your school. We're going to focus on that. Remember, we have got different type of essays that we cannot focus and finish them everything on the whiteboard here today. Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Mustafe Lunalo, one of the teachers at Ikra College and also one of the administrators. Welcome to Ikra Family, the online department where we focus on teaching our students how to speak and also how to write. And that is why today we are introducing a new course that's going to take us 4 months, whereby you're going to have writing skills. And in these writing skills, we're going to teach our students how to write essays, how to write official letters, the one that we usually call them formal letters. We're also going to focus on email writings. How can you write an email like a boss? Report writing, how to write a report for your company, a report for your office, report for your school. We're going to focus on that. We're also going to focus on how to write good speeches, speech that can be delivered in a group of people. We're going to teach you how to write speeches. As I had told you, our course is going to take 4 months, whereby we have the first semester 2 months and the second semester 2 months. In these lessons, I'll be giving you activities. In every lesson I'm there with you guys. I give you activities, assign you duties after giving you examples, after teaching you and showing you how to write an essay. Remember, we have got different type of essays that we cannot focus and finish them everything on the whiteboard here today. But we have got different, so I'll teach you how to write these different types of essays. Then after teaching you in our lesson, I will assign you task to write. Then after writing, you'll send it to me, then I'm going to mark and give you what we call feedback. The same thing to official letter, the same thing to email writings, report writings, and speech writings. So I want you to take this golden opportunity to improve your writing skills, because a good speaker of English is the one who also knows how to write, because you won't be speaking every time to people. Sometimes you need to send a message. You need to write so that somebody on the other end can receive your information, understand your information, and get back to you through writing. And that is why Ikra Family, we've introduced writing skills. Take this golden opportunity. Join us at Ikra College. Learn writing skills. Write like a boss. Thank you so much. See you, and I hope to see you in our classes. Bye.